Hello everyone, welcome back to GMGC TV. So in this video I would like to show you a video tutorial, and I would like to share this video tutorial about this two YouTube application. I have a two YouTube application here already installed in my device, and this is the latest YouTube application, and the second one is the old YouTube application. This is not a modded application. This is the old version, or the version 1 of YouTube. Okay, so I will show you on how to install it here, on how to download it and install it at the same time with this latest YouTube application. Alright, so this is the latest YouTube. Okay, as you can see the UI. This is the latest YouTube application from Google Play Store. And the second one is the version 1. I will show you if the version of this is really version 1. This is the version 1 of YouTube. Okay, so this one. Okay, so first I would like to YouTube. As you can see, I have YouTube here. Okay, I will extract this one. I'm in a backup and open it here. I don't know, I will try to open it an APK editor to make it sure, to prove that the version of this application is the version 1, or the old version of YouTube. Okay, so select APK. No, not this. Select an APK file. Okay, this one, YouTube. Then command edit. As you can see, the version code is version 1 and the version name is 1. Okay, minimum sticky version is 23 and the target sticky version is 33. Okay, this is the second YouTube, the version 1. Okay, so now I will show you how to download it. You cannot download it on Play Store because the YouTube application there is the latest version of YouTube. Okay, so I will show you on how to download. Okay, just open first the YouTube, in the search bar. Okay, just type www.youtube.com/gmgctv. Okay, so just search this URL, www.youtube.com/@gmgctv, and as you can see the three dots at the upper right corner here, just click that one, and as you can see the desktop site and the above is install app. All you have to do is to install app. Just click this one and then install. Okay guys, so if you are just new to my YouTube channel, please support my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and then select all so that you will be notified to all my videos, to all my future videos. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see if the YouTube. Okay, so another YouTube here. Okay, this one. Okay, so that's all guys.